Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be on the hair that I'm wearing right now. This hair is from AsteriaHair. I did a review for this company earlier this year. In today's video, I'm gonna leave the hair and the link in the description box below. But this is 4 bundles of their Brazilian straight, I believe, in inches 22, 24, 26, 28, with the 18-inch frontal that I cut into a frontal closure. I've been wearing this hair for about 3 weeks now, so everything I'm about to say right now is my full synopsis, my observations, my pros, my cons about this hair. So get ready, buckle up, and let's get right into the review. Come to me. The hair is very nice, straight off the bat, full bundles. However, one thing about AsteriaHair that I think that I touched on in my first review is that their hair is pretty thin, in my opinion. For this to be 4 bundles, I don't know, it's just kind of thin to me. I mean, it's not paper thin or anything like that, but it's thinner than, you know, other long hair that I've had in the past. But moving forward, I used all 4 of the bundles, and I ended up doubling each of the wefts, each of the bundles, so that I got the hair as full as possible, because when you single track this hair in particular, it's just too thin. So I double my tracks and I make my wigs on the sewing machine. So if you guys already saw in the first video I did for this hair, I dyed it jet black using, I think, Revlon and Dark and Lovely hair dyes. Of course, you guys can look at the video clicking this link right here. I'm gonna add something like right here so you guys can do that. But yeah, I dyed the hair, I dyed it jet black, and yeah, I just wanted to go on for 3 weeks to see exactly how the hair held up. Now I'm gonna immediately jump into the cons about this hair, because this is, you know, people are going to spend their money, so they want to know exactly what they need to look out for, and what are like the key factors that might make or break the possibility of you buying hair from this company. So they already mentioned that they don't normally, you know, advertise or sell their 28-inch bundles, and I feel like I have a theory as to why. Now, while I've been wearing this wig, of course, it's been cold outside, so I wear scarves, I wear my coat, all types of stuff like that. But for some reason, with this wig in particular, I just dealt with pretty much a lot of shedding and a lot of tangling in the nape of my neck, which happens to be the 28-inch bundle. And when I actually look at the back of my hair, I noticed that the majority of the 28-inch bundle has broken off with shedding and, you know, with tangling and stuff like that. Because even though I didn't get the pictures that I wanted to when I first made the wig, I just feel like the ends towards the bottom have started to thin, which is mainly the 28-inch bundle. I'm kind of disappointed in that, because I liked how full it was, but gradually I see it getting thinner at the bottom, and it just makes me want to cut it to like a shorter length. But I got this hair because I wanted to wear long. So that was a main con for me, because I don't like shedding and I don't like tangling, and I was dealing with a lot of this in the nape of my neck. So probably with longer lengths, or the 28-inch bundles at least, I wouldn't recommend. But the hair at the top, in the middle, everything else has been okay. So it's just that longer bundle that was really rubbing me the wrong way. And aside from that, this hair gets dirty pretty fast, and when it gets dirty, ain't no point of trying to run your fingers through it, comb it, anything like that, because it is going to tangle and it is going to shed while you try to brush it out, because it's tangled. So the best thing to do would be to wash this hair once a week. I use my Tresemme, Tresemme conditioner, not Tresemme, I lied. I use Aussie conditioner, Aussie shampoo and conditioner. So the moist shampoo and the moist conditioner. And yeah, I do it once a week, and I let the hair air dry for a second, and then I go back and blow dry, and I flat iron, which you guys already saw in the first video. So, you know, I really got to go too much in detail about that. However, the things I do like about this hair is that when it is that was a strand. Okay, one thing I do have to say is when this hair is freshly washed and conditioned, the movement is crazy, okay? You see that? It's like waves, black silk waves. And I don't know, I feel like the hair, it is nice hair. It's just that this bottom bundle was really what was throwing me off, and the fact that I gradually see it getting shorter and having like breakage pieces, which is really, you know, annoying me. But another factor is that I don't deal with filler hairs with this hair. Now that's the biggest thing, because a lot of companies, specifically Chinese companies, they do fill their wefts with unnatural, you know, hair that is not real human hair, and it melts onto your flat iron plate, or any other hot tool appliance that you have, which is very annoying to clean up, because once it sticks, it turns into gunk, and it's just, you know, it's beyond me once it gets to that point. But I didn't deal with any filler hairs with this hair, so I guess that's something good. It's just that I really wish that this bottom bundle wasn't gradually breaking off. I wish you guys could really tell, but it's just like, I can tell. It just looks like it's just getting thinner at the bottom, and it makes me very sad. But like I said, this is good hair, and clearly I've been rocking it, you know, consistently for these 3 weeks. So I see something good about it. I'm running my fingers through it and all of that type of stuff. It's just the bottom bundle that I was experiencing the shedding and the tangling with. But for the most part, this hair is very affordable, very, very affordable. You can find bundle deals for 3 bundles and a closure or a frontal for under $300. So definitely take heed to that if it is around your price range. Just be very cautious around the longer lengths, so that you don't have to go through the same fiasco as I'm going through right now. I really don't think I'm overanalyzing, because I pay attention to my wigs every single day that I put them on, and it just seems like this one in particular is just breaking off like natural hair. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I did say that I was gonna leave the links for the hair and the frontal in the description box below, so you guys can check that out yourselves. You can see all of the different length combinations and, you know, the different prices, all types of stuff like that. But this was just a very honest review as far as what I've been experiencing. And like I said, I've been wearing this hair for 3 weeks. If it was so bad to the point I just couldn't take it anymore, I wouldn't wear it. I still wouldn't be wearing it. But I genuinely do think that it's nice hair. It's just that bottom bundle is just skewing, you know, how I feel about it. So I'll probably get this hair maybe a 6.5. And it could be higher, but it's just, I just don't like dealing with tangling and shedding, and then you actually see it losing length, you know. So I like AsteriaHair, you know, and they rock with me because I give very honest reviews. But, you know, I have to keep it real with you guys, to let you guys know exactly what's been going on. But like I said, I'm not going to just wear any hair that I'm not okay with. Even though I did deal with this fiasco, when I took pictures, y'all still like my hair, okay? Because it still looked coy and poised and all of that stuff. So, just wanted to keep it real with you guys. So I hope you guys enjoyed this review. If you did, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Leave a comment if I missed anything in this video as far as this hair goes. And make sure you're subscribed so you don't miss any more videos. And I will see you guys next time. Bye, guys.